Hi all, welcome to my section. Here my topic is computer fundamentals. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity. It can work faster and more accurately than human being. Which are the basic units of a computer? Input unit, CPU, central processing unit, and output unit. Now let us study about input unit. What is input unit? Input devices are used to enter data or give instructions into a computer. Examples: keyboard, scanner, joystick, microphone, etc. Let us explain each one. The first one is keyboard. The keys can be classified into four, which are the alphabetic keys, that means A to Z, numeric keys 0 to 9, function keys F1 to F12, and special keys enter key, space bar, delete, etc. The next input device is mouse. It is a pointing device used to give instructions to a computer and used to draw pictures. The moving arrow on the screen is called mouse pointer. It has two buttons and a scrolling wheel. The basic mouse operations are: the first one is single click, which is used to select a program or a file. Second one is double click, is used to open a program or file. The third one is right click, which is used to display the properties of a file. Last one is drag and drop, it is used to move a file and folder. The next input device is scanner. It is used to scan and store documents and photos into a computer. The next one is microphone. It is used to record your voice, music and sounds into a computer. It is also used to talk to your friends. Next, web camera. It is used to capture and store photographs and videos, but it is fixed on the computer. Next, digital camera. It is used to capture and store photographs and videos. Joystick. It is used to play games. The next one is MICR, magnetic ink character reader. It is used to read data directly without entering data manually into a computer. It is used to scan the checks. Next one, biometric machine. It's a fingerprint scanner. It is used to track employees' attendance, including their time of arrival and departure. Next, trackball. It is a pointing device with a ball on its top. By rolling the ball, you can move the cursor. Next, pen tablet. A graphics tablet is a computer input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animations and graphics with a special pen like stylus, similar to the way a person draws images with a pencil. Next one is light pen. It is a pointing device used to draw pictures directly on the screen. The next input device is barcode reader. This is a barcode reader. It is used for reading printed barcodes on the product. Thank you.